Well, today I'm out here at my flying area. I'm going to try to get this barnstormer up in the air and do some flying today. Maybe I'm trying to see if I can get some footage with my sport cam kind of attached to my head. Sometimes it doesn't work very well. But I'm going to go ahead and start this thing up and kind of get it warmed up, and then we'll take it out to the airstrip and get some flights. Got this nice little tether out here to hold it back while you warm it up. Check the engine. Right, taking off. Oh, I think my engine just died. Dead stick. Dead stick. Sheesh, I don't know what happened there. Huh. I think I may have leaned out my engine a little bit too much. This thing has to run really rich. Taking off. That orange looks really nice against the sky. You can really tell which way the plane's going. Clear. Alright, he's going to bring his Piper in, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of his way. Here it comes. He's flying electric too. Oh, never. There she goes. I got my landing gears a little bent, so I got kind of a crooked look to it. Yeah, I got my gears. I think my gears a little sloppy on the right hand side, or the right wheel. I'll kind of bend that stuff back. Alright, so hopefully I got some good footage today, but anyhow, I just kind of want to go over my little field box setup here. So I've got this old, I guess it's probably an old Hobby Shack flight box. I got this actually used at a hobby shop near me, and it came with this power panel, which is really nice. There's a 12-volt battery, like basically a motorcycle battery in here. It has the starter connections, and then it has fuel pump. And of course it's got this Magnum fuel pump here, and I don't know how old this thing was, but it actually works pretty good. It's got a 12-volt and a 6-volt setting for the fuel pump, so I can actually put it on the 6-volt when I'm running the smaller plane, so it doesn't just kind of overpower and put too much fuel in it at one time. It has a reverse on it, in and out on it, so that I can fuel it up, and then obviously I can suck the fuel back out of the tank if I want. It has a glow plug setting, and I'm using, I think this is just basically a Hobbyco or Tower Hobbies glow plug connector, and it plugs in here, and then I can go ahead and I can set the current on it, and usually just kind of put it in the green. Got to be careful, because if you plug this by accident into one of these other holes, you'll basically blow up your glow plug. Then right now I'm running this VP Power Masters fuel, and then on this side of the box over here, it's just got a little drawer for junk. I got my tools in here, things like that. A couple extra propellers right here. Then I have this old Sullivan. I've had this for a long time. This thing has been working forever. This is an old Sullivan high torque starter. It works really good. So that's basically my little setup out here. Alright, so I think that's going to be about it for today. I think I'm going to do one more flight, then head on home. So anyhow, thanks for watching my channel. We'll see you next time.